Choosing replacement windows can feel overwhelming. With so many options, it's easy to make costly mistakes. In this video, we're going to cover the top 5 mistakes homeowners make when choosing replacement windows for their home and how to avoid them so you can make the best decision for your home and budget. Hey, I'm Chris with Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. For over 30 years, we've helped homeowners in San Antonio choose high-quality windows that are as beautiful as they are functional. With so many products and companies out there, the process can be tricky, and mistakes can lead to regret. That's why we're here to help you avoid the most common pitfalls when choosing replacement windows. Stick around as we walk through the top 5 mistakes people make and how to make a confident, regret-free decision. We all want our homes to look beautiful, and new windows can make a huge difference in your curb appeal. But focusing only on how a window looks can mean overlooking critical factors like energy efficiency, durability, and functionality. At Southwest Exteriors, we offer windows that balance style and performance so you never have to choose between beauty and practicality. During your consultation with any company, make sure to ask about the performance of the windows, not just the look. That way you're investing in a functional upgrade, not just a pretty package. Budgeting is important, but when it comes to windows, going with the cheapest option can cost you more in the long run. Low-quality windows might save you money up front, but they can lead to higher energy bills, frequent repairs, and a shorter lifespan, meaning you'll be back shopping for windows before you know it. Investing in high-quality windows now ensures you'll save on maintenance and energy costs later. Energy Star-rated products, for example, are designed to perform better over time, and that investment can even pay you back in savings. Even the best windows in the world won't perform if they're not installed correctly. Improper installation can lead to drafts, leaks, and even structural damage to your home. That's why it's so important to choose a trusted installer with a proven track record. At Southwest Exteriors, our expert team ensures every window is installed to perfection, giving you peace of mind and a warranty you can rely on. In the past, homeowners didn't have many options for researching their windows. You had to rely on the salesperson sitting at your kitchen table, often with limited information about what was available. But today, it's a completely different story. Thanks to the internet, you can explore options, compare materials, read reviews, and even watch videos just like this one, so good job. The ability to research thoroughly means you don't have to make decisions based on pressure or limited knowledge. At Southwest Exteriors, we want to make this process even easier, and that's why we've created our Learning Center, a free resource filled with articles, videos, and guides that answer all your questions about replacement windows and more. We're here to empower you to make more informed decisions. If you're ready to dive deeper, check out the link in the description to explore our Learning Center. It's the best place to start when you want to feel confident about your choices. Finally, let's talk about energy efficiency. I know we've touched on this already, but it's so important, I'm gonna do it again. Your windows play a huge role in keeping your home comfortable and your energy bills low. Skipping energy efficiency ratings is a common mistake that can cost you over time. Look for features in your new windows like double pane glass, low E coatings, and high installation values. Our windows are designed to perform in San Antonio's unique climate, so you'll enjoy a more comfortable home year-round. That's why it's important to make sure you speak with local installers in your area instead of going with a nationwide chain. Local experts understand your area's specific climate needs and can ensure you get windows that are perfectly suited for your home. Replacing your windows can be a huge investment, but avoiding these 5 mistakes can set you up for success. If you're in the San Antonio area, contact Southwest Exteriors today for a free consultation. We'll help you find the perfect windows for your home, style, and budget. Click the link in the description to schedule your appointment now. If you're not in the San Antonio area, that's okay. Leave a comment below with all of your questions about your replacement windows, and we're gonna do our best to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the Home Solutions channel for more tips on making your home beautiful and efficient. We hope to see you again here on the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to.